We fly higher than the sun. Let the golden hour rise.
I just found this amazing channel. The concept is incredibly simple, cute animals playing music, yet almost every video goes viral, and the channel is growing at an impressive speed. The most interesting part is that these videos are created using a 100% AI workflow. No complicated editing, no expensive equipment, and no advanced skills are required. The entire process is simple, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow. What makes this niche so powerful is its universal appeal. People love cute animals, and when you combine them with entertaining music, the content becomes highly engaging, entertaining, and highly shareable. That's why these videos can attract millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. I also noticed that many of these channels upload consistently, using the same simple formula, yet their videos continue to perform extremely well. The audience never seems to get bored because every video features different animals, different environments, different music styles, and fresh cinematic visuals. Another huge advantage is that you don't need to show your face, record your voice, or hire a professional editor. Everything, from writing the prompts to generating the images, videos, and even the music, can be done using AI. This makes it one of the easiest content ideas for beginners who want to start a faceless YouTube channel. And the best part? This niche is still relatively untapped, which means there is a huge opportunity for new creators to enter the space and build a viral channel quickly. Let's jump into ChatGPT, which is the first step. I've already prepared the prompt for you, and it's available in the description below. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate an amazing cinematic animal music video prompt for you. Everything is clearly structured, including the characters, environments, camera angles, visual style, animation details, scene progression, and music vibes. The prompt is designed to create a complete animal musician adventure with professional storytelling and stunning visuals. You don't need to spend hours brainstorming ideas or writing complicated prompts. Just copy-paste and let ChatGPT do the work for you. Within seconds, you'll get a detailed, production-ready prompt that can be used to create high-quality viral animal music videos. The best part is that every scene is unique, featuring different animals, different locations, and different musical moods while maintaining a consistent visual style throughout the entire video. This makes the final result feel like a professional animated music journey rather than a collection of random clips. And because the prompt is highly detailed, AI video generators can better understand exactly what you want, resulting in more cinematic shots, smoother animations, better character consistency, and a much more engaging viewing experience for your audience. For the image generation, I'm going to use Google Gemini, and this is one of the most important steps in the entire workflow. So make sure you follow along carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in using your Gmail. Once you're inside, you'll see the chat interface where we'll generate all of our images. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the cinematic animal musician prompts that it created. Then return to Google Gemini and paste the prompt into the chat box. Before generating the image, there's one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred aspect ratio. For example, use R16.9 for YouTube videos or R916 if you're creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. This ensures your images are generated in the correct format. Once everything is ready, simply press enter and let Gemini generate the image. Honestly, when I saw the first result, I was completely blown away. I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good. The image looked like it had been created by a professional animation studio. The adorable animal musician looked fantastic. The guitar was detailed, the pose felt natural, the facial expressions were full of personality, and the environment perfectly matched the prompt. Whether it was the eagle rocking on a mountain, the frog performing in a magical rainforest, the parrot entertaining baby birds, or the turtle playing guitar in the rice fields, every scene looked cinematic and alive. The lighting was beautiful. The colors were vibrant, the backgrounds were highly detailed, and every image had that premium Pixar-style 3D look that everyone wants for viral AI videos. What impressed me even more was the consistency. Every animal maintained the same high-quality style while still having its own unique personality, habitat, and musical vibe. The images felt like they all belonged to the same animated movie. I also checked for common AI issues like broken guitars, extra limbs, distorted faces, blurry backgrounds, or strange textures. Surprisingly, the results were extremely clean. The animals looked adorable, the instruments were accurate, and the compositions were well balanced. But I didn't stop after generating just one image. I generated every scene from the story one by one: the bald eagle rock star, the grasshopper in the wheat fields, the tropical parrot, the magical frog, the red cricket, the black cricket, the ladybug guitarist, the underwater fish, and finally the wise turtle. Every single image turned out beautifully and maintained the same cinematic quality. The best part is that you can simply copy and paste each prompt from ChatGPT into Gemini. Now it's time for the most exciting part: turning our cinematic animal musician images into stunning AI videos using Flow AI. I know many of you are probably thinking, Flow AI isn't completely free. And yes, that's true. But here's something that many people don't know. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. At the time of making this video, you receive around 50 free credits daily, which is enough to generate approximately 5 high-quality AI videos every day. For beginners, that's more than enough to start creating content consistently for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook. Now here's the smart strategy. Once your daily credits are finished, simply switch to another Gmail account, and you'll receive another set of free credits. Just think about it. One Gmail account, around 5 videos per day. 5 Gmail accounts just earns around 25 videos per day. That's an incredible amount of free content you can create. Now inside Flow AI, select the latest VO 3.1 Lite model. This model is honestly one of my favorites because it produces beautiful cinematic videos while using only around 10 credits per generation. The quality is absolutely outstanding for a free workflow. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, upload the cinematic animal image that we generated in Google Gemini. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the same video prompt we created earlier, including the camera movements, music style, animation instructions, and mood. Paste the complete prompt into Flow AI. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Set the video duration, and if the option is available, enable audio generation for an even more immersive result. Finally, click Generate. Within about a minute, Flow AI transforms your static image into a fully animated cinematic scene. And honestly, the first time I saw the result, I was completely blown away. The eagle looked like a real rock star. Performing on top of the mountain, the frog naturally moved while playing the guitar in the magical rainforest. The tropical parrot performed beautifully as the baby parrots watched with excitement. The underwater fish scene felt magical, with bubbles floating around while sunlight passed through the water, and the turtle's emotional guitar solo at sunrise looked like something straight out of a Pixar movie. Everything looked incredibly smooth and professional. The camera movements were cinematic. The guitar playing animations felt natural. The lighting changed beautifully throughout the scene. The environmental sounds matched perfectly. The background music created the right emotion. Even small details like moving feathers, swaying grass, floating bubbles, and magical particles made every scene feel alive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!